I spent the last day or so working with Claude to create a web UI that can author CCM manifests. I don't know anything about web, um, and so this, I would not be able to have done this without Claude's help. And so these are all web components, and they're running within a little container here. It's a static site, so just served off GitHub pages. If I start a new page here, you can see it's fresh, and I can add resources. Every resource is has a custom page. Docker. And I can add all of the various advanced options, aliases, this kind of stuff. I can add health checks. And it has all the various features. And as it goes, you'll see it's building out the manifest on the right here. I will restore the one that I had just now, but we can define data. So if I want to do package.name, string, and package.version, also a string, so I can do docker ce present, and then we can go back over here and we can change the name to data.package.name, and you'll see this will update here. Now if I go in here and I set an alias, docker, it updates that and it shows me there's no alias there. I can now add things like a service, docker, running enabled at boot, and I want to add subscribe. You'll see package docker. And so we can see it's creating the resources for me. We can go, we've got the data here. I can define a hierarchy. Let's get some examples in for me here. Let's add a location one, facts.location. Okay, and here we can add an override. Home. Okay, I want to change package.name at my home. I'm going to change that to Docker desktop. Okay, you see it's all live updating, everything is happening here. And this is and then you can just export it. If I reload it, it will recover my work for me. And if I go start a fresh one, paste from clipboard, the whole UI updates and has all of the work there. I can move these things around, reorder them, edit them, delete them, make a new one like it, all this kind of stuff. Really nice little UI. This will be available on studio.coriacmo.dev, and you'll probably be able to run it from within the CLI also for a local instance of this. In time, I might add a thing where you can save some different versions of your manifests, but for now, this is just a little tool to help us author manifests without really having to understand or remember all the options and so forth. You can imagine we can expand out here with comments and examples and so forth as well. There's some links that takes you to the manifest documentation, so you can see how all these things work. And yeah, that's a nice little tool. That's it. That's all I got for now.